Hey there, welcome to the deep dive. I know you're ready to get gooey,
Yeah.
so we're diving into homemade mozzarella sticks.
Yeah, absolutely.
But we're not messing around.
No, we're going deep.
I'm excited to, well,
Yeah.
I really want to make perfect mozzarella sticks at home.
Okay.
That's why we're here.
That's the goal. Crispy on the outside,
Right.
gooey on the inside.
We've got a recipe for you.
We do. And it's simple.
Yeah, but we're going a little further.
We are. We're going to make sure, you really get it.
Like why everything matters?
Exactly. You'll be able to, solve any mozzarella stick problems.
Yes.
And even get creative.
Okay, first things first.
What is it?
The cheese gets frozen. Twice.
Twice as key.
Why is that so important?
Well, cheese melts.
Oh, yeah.
And if it melts too fast,
Oh, no.
it tries to escape.
From the breading.
Yeah, from its crispy little shell.
So freezing it twice helps.
It's like building a fortress.
A cheese fortress.
Yes. With walls of ice.
To hold in the cheese.
Yeah, the molten goodness.
Like that.
The first freeze is before breading.
Okay.
It just makes the cheese, solid.
So it can handle the breading.
Right. Then you freeze again after.
So everything really sets.
Yes. Explosion-proof mozzarella sticks.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Now for the breading.
Classic 3 steps.
Flour, egg, breadcrumbs.
Yep. You got it.
But then it says to double coat.
That's the pro move.
Really? Is that, necessary?
Yeah. Mozzarella sticks are special.
Okay.
A single coat, maybe for some things.
Like chicken nuggets.
Right. But cheese, that's molten lava.
Okay.
The double coating is extra protection.
More breadcrumbs.
It builds a thicker crust.
So the cheese can't escape.
Exactly. It buys you time
Time for what?
for the crust to get golden brown.
And get crispy.
And the cheese inside, it melts perfectly.
No explosions.
Nope.
Oh, and one more thing on breading.
What's that?
Panko.
Yes. A little panko goes a long way.
I love that crunch.
It's the best.
Okay, but what about the frying?
The moment of truth.
Any tips for that golden glory?
Oil temperature is key.
Okay,
350 degrees.
got it.
Too low and they get soggy.
Oof.
Too high, burnt outside, cold cheese.
So 350 is the sweet spot.
It is. Perfect crispy crust and molten cheese.
How can you check without a thermometer?
Easy. Drop a breadcrumb in.
Oh, smart.
If it sizzles and browns in 30 seconds, you're good.
That's a great tip.
You bet.
I feel way more confident now about frying.
See? Frying can be fun.
It can be. Right, we've talked freezing, breading, frying.
Mm-hmm.
But what about dipping sauces?
The fun part.
I mean, marinara is classic, but what else?
Well, you can get creative with flavors.
Okay, yeah.
You could go creamy, tangy.
Like ranch.
Ranch is good. Blue cheese is even better.
Blue cheese with mozzarella sticks.
Oh, yeah. You wouldn't think so, but that sharp tanginess cuts right through the richness.
I kind of see it.
Right. And for spice lovers, buffalo sauce.
Oh,
That's a crowd pleaser.
spicy mozzarella sticks.
The best.
Okay, but what about, something different?
You want to get adventurous.
Pesto. Pesto. Like the pasta sauce?
Yeah, that pesto.
Interesting.
It's fresh, herbaceous, basil, garlic, parmesan. It cuts through the fried richness.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
Trust me on this one.
That is different. I like it.
See? Mozzarella sticks are so versatile.
Yeah.
Let your imagination run wild.
They're getting me excited.
Good.
Okay, so dipping sauces, check.
Check.
Now, what about flavoring the mozzarella sticks themselves?
Good question.
I saw the recipe mentions herbs in the breadcrumbs.
Oh, yeah, herbs are great.
What kind do you recommend?
For that classic Italian vibe, basil and parsley,
Oh, yeah.
just chop them fine right into the breadcrumbs.
Is it that easy?
Super easy. And the aroma, amazing.
I can imagine.
They add a subtle, fresh flavor, too.
Love it.
But maybe you want something spicier.
Okay, yeah.
Cayenne pepper.
Ooh,
Or red pepper flakes in the breadcrumbs.
nice.
Or for smoky heat, smoked paprika.
Smoky paprika, that's interesting.
It's got a complexity to it.
I gotta try that.
You should.
Okay, one more thing I'm curious about.
Jus.
Baking instead of frying.
Yes. The healthier option.
But can you still get that crispy texture?
Absolutely.
Right.
400 degrees on a baking sheet. Parchment paper is your friend.
Right.
10 to 12 minutes. Flip halfway.
And that's it.
You get that crispy crust, the gooey cheese.
Wow, no frying needed.
Nope. Less fat, same great taste.
I'm impressed.
And baking opens up even more possibilities.
Like what?
Toppings. You can go crazy. Since it's not hot oil, you know.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Sprinkle some Parmesan on top for extra cheesiness.
Oh, man, more cheese. Always a good idea.
Right.
But won't that burn in the oven?
Parmesan's pretty low moisture, so it browns nicely.
Okay.
Just keep an eye on it, you know. Don't overbake.
Makes sense.
So yeah, baked mozzarella sticks, they're a winner.
I'm convinced. Got to try both ways.
Definitely.
Okay, so we got freezing down, breading, we're pros,
Double coating.
dipping sauces, endless possibilities,
So many flavors.
and baking a healthier twist.
Yeah, it's great.
Is there anything else? Anything we missed?
There's one more trick.
Oh, I'm intrigued.
This might surprise you.
Okay, hit me.
We talked about flavoring the breading.
Yeah, herbs, spices, all that.
Right, but what about the cheese itself?
Wait, flavoring the mozzarella?
You got it.
Whoa, I never even thought of that.
It's a game changer.
But how? How do you do that?
Think about it. You've got your mozzarella,
Yeah, all ready to be breaded.
but before that, you infuse it with flavor.
So like mixing stuff right into the cheese.
Exactly.
Okay, my mind is blown.
Like, remember those herbs we talked about?
Basil, parsley, yeah.
Chop them fine, mix them right into the cheese.
Wow. So every bite has that herby goodness.
Right from the inside out.
That's incredible.
Or if you want spice,
Ooh, yeah, tell me more.
some finely chopped jalapenos.
Yes.
Or chili flakes right in the mozzarella.
Cheesy and spicy all in one.
The ultimate mozzarella stick.
Man, this is amazing.
I told you it was a game changer.
I'm seeing mozzarella sticks in a whole new light.
They're not just a snack anymore.
They're like a culinary adventure.
That's the fun of cooking, right?
You take something classic, make it your own.
Experiment. Let your taste buds lead the way.
I'm feeling so inspired.
Good. Get in the kitchen and try it out.
I definitely will.
Yeah.
This deep dive has been awesome.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Thank you so much for sharing your mozzarella wisdom.
Anytime, it's all about sharing the cheesy love.
Well said. And to everyone listening, thanks for joining us.
We hope you learned a thing or two.
Go make some amazing mozzarella sticks.
And have fun with it.
Until next time, happy cooking.